Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's make with me North Kannada special breakfast recipe Dill leaves sweet idlis. This is an instant recipe, so without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of idli rice and I'm going to wash it 2 to 3 times and soak it for about 6 to 7 hours or overnight. Next, here I have taken half bunch of dill leaves which are easily available in vegetable market. I'm going to clean it and remove the stem of these leaves. In a mixer jar, I'm going to add dill leaves which are cleaned and washed. Now I'm going to add 1 cup of poha. We need to wash it and then we need to add. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of jaggery. Jaggery is according to your sweetness you need to add. Next 1 cup of coconut, grated coconut and 3 cardamom. Add some water and make a fine paste. As you can see here, the dill leaves paste is ready. The color looks very beautifully. Now to this we need to add soaked rice. Next add very little water if required only and then make a idli batter. Do not grind it into a smooth batter, it should be idli batter consistency. Once done, transfer this into another bowl. You can make this batter instantly in the morning and you need to soak the rice overnight. If you don't have time to make this batter in the morning, you can soak the rice for about 5 to 6 hours and then grind it before going to sleep, and you can keep the batter outside and morning you can make idlis. Now the batter is ready. Now I'm going to add baking soda. Mix well. Add salt as per taste. Mix really well and keep the batter for about half an hour. After half an hour, cook the idlis in a idli cooker. Grease the idli plates with oil and pour the batter and cook it for about 15 minutes on medium flame. And the special breakfast dill leaves idlis are ready to be served. Have this with ghee and enjoy with your family. If you like this recipe, please try it out at home and do let me know how it was. And don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next video.